family, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Wiggles. Some of you know him as Ray Jr. Some of you know him as Sugar Hips. Some of you may know him as, I don't know how you know him, but you gotta know him. And his name is Mr. Wiggles. So Mr. Wiggles, are you singing a song right now? Yes. And how was your ride in from Maryland? Very eventful? Yes. We call him Mr. Wiggles. He even makes us wiggle. We love him. See, he's getting his wiggle on now. He's getting his smile on. And now the close-up of Mr. Wiggles. Hi, Mr. Wiggles. How are you, Mr. Wiggles? I love you. I love you. Hi. Are you singing a little song for us? Yeah. Okay. Well, guess where we're getting ready to go? We're getting ready to go to Kalahari, baby. Get in the water, Daddy. Okay. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye.